Unboxing the beat. Understanding the drum setup. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the world of music and learn about a term that's essential for any budding musician or music enthusiast: drum setup. This phrase may sound technical, but by the end of this video, you'll be familiar with what it means and the basics of how it's done. So, let's get started and explore the rhythm behind the music. When we talk about a drum setup, we're referring to the process of arranging and configuring a drum kit, a collection of drums and other percussion instruments, which is typically used in many genres of music. It involves placing each piece of the kit in a way that is comfortable for the drummer and that achieves the best possible sound. A standard setup includes a bass drum, snare drum, toms, hi-hat, and cymbals, but it can be customized according to the drummer's needs. Understanding the drum setup begins with knowing the components. Let's take a look at the essentials. Bass drum, the foundation of the drum set, producing a deep, low sound. Snare drum, known for its sharp, snapping sound, it's the centerpiece of most drum beats. Toms, these drums vary in size and pitch, providing the fills and extra beats. Hi-hat, consisting of two cymbals mounted on a stand, it's played using a pedal. Cymbals, including the crash, ride, and others, they add accents and color to the music. Setting up a drum kit is both an art and a science. Here's a basic guide. 1. Position the bass drum in the center, using a pedal to play it. 2. Set the snare drum on a stand at a height and angle that's comfortable for striking. 3. Arrange the toms in order from high to low pitch, usually mounted on the bass drum or on separate stands. 4. Place the hi-hat to the left, for right-handed drummers, within easy reach of the foot pedal. 5. Set up the cymbals around the kit, ensuring they are spaced well and at a height that's easy to reach. A good drum setup isn't just about the music, it's about the drummer's comfort and playability. Keep these tips in mind. Adjust all elements to match the drummer's height and reach. Ensure the throne, drum seat, is at a height where the drummer's feet can comfortably reach the pedals. Allow space for movement and avoid overcrowding the kit. That's a wrap on the basics of a drum setup. Remember, setting up your drum kit is a personal process that can vary greatly from one drummer to another. We hope this video has been informative and has sparked your interest in the world of drumming. Keep practicing, and you'll be setting up your drums like a pro in no time. Until our next lesson, keep the beat going and enjoy your musical journey.